Hi there, students. To entail. Entail. This is a verb meaning to involve. It means if you want to do one thing, then something else that accompanies that is necessary as well, or is a necessary consequence. So to entail, to necessitate, to require, to need, to demand. So, for example, this project will entail a lot of hard work. So a lot of hard work is a necessary part of succeeding if you're going to do this project. Getting a mortgage entails providing proof of income and many other things. So these are other necessary steps that you must take. So to entail, to imply necessarily, a logical and unavoidable consequence of it is. Growing up entails making mistakes and looking silly from time to time. It's a necessary part of it. It's a logical consequence of it. This investment entails a high level of risk. So by taking this investment, you are also taking at the same time a high level of risk. A high level of risk is necessarily attached. This job entails a lot of travelling. So a lot of travelling is a necessary part of this job, and you can't avoid it. You want to make these changes to the project, that's fine, but it will entail a great deal of additional expense. Okay, to make necessary, if you like. The repair of this car that I need to do on this car entails taking out the engine and then putting it back. Okay, it's necessary to do this. Now notice this verb to entail actually has a legal origin, and there's a legal meaning of the verb to entail. This is talking about inheritances, when somebody dies and somebody else inherits their estate. To entail an inheritance means that you receive the inheritance, but you can only leave it to a certain person or people in a certain order. So you will inherit my house, but you must leave it to your sister when you die, and she must leave it to any children that you have or that she has. So an entailment, or to entail an inheritance, the idea is to keep the money or the lands in a family. This is something only really posh and rich people, I think they probably still do and used to do. But the idea is that the capital remains in the family. And that's the idea of to entail. So a necessary part of receiving the inheritance is that you leave it to somebody designated by the person who left it to you. Okay, so to entail, to involve, to require, as a necessary condition that accompanies something. Okay, this word comes from Old French, en, in, and the tail part, as opposed to the tail of an animal, this is to carve, to cut, related to the word tailor. And it's the idea of cutting a notch or a slot in something so that it catches on something, it's hooked on something. And I guess that hook is that notch is the necessary requirement. Let's see, notice the verb to entail is a regular verb. Entail, entailed, entailing. And this word is quite formal, yeah? I'd probably give it a 6, maybe even a 6.5 informality. I guess you could use it in an informal conversation in the pub, but I think I might just use the verb it involves, it requires, it needs. But this word to entail for a formal framework or a formal setting would sound really good. It also shows that you have a massive vocabulary. Okay? So, to entail, to involve as a necessary part of doing something else, maybe accompanying it or as a consequence of it. So, speaking good English entails a lot of hard study, but you already know that. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To entail.